everybody, welcome to ReaLynns world, and today I am just sitting outside enjoying the beautiful day out in my yard, and I'm watching my grandbabies. If you can believe it, I'll have to show you. Let me turn this around and I'll show you. There's my grandbaby one, there's Pal, and my second grandbaby is Abel, my daughter's dogs, and I'm watching them for just a little bit today, and it's such a beautiful day. I just thought I would share with you, just sitting outside in my yard enjoying some time with these pups. I have a couple acres and they just love to come here and they love to run. So we're going to be doing some yard work. I got this beautiful willow tree, crooked willow, and it leaves a mess all over in my yard. And it's the beginning of the year, the spring, so we are going to be starting doing some yard work. Of course, there's my porch, my back porch, and it needs some work too. It's got leaves everywhere and dirt, dust, but that's okay. I will show you the after effects after we get it all prettied up and ready. Over there is my, let me see if I can make it a little bigger. There's our fire pit, and that is a really fun gathering place. We have a big metal rock crusher that we brought in. It's about 800 pounds, and we brought that in and dropped that in. And then we just put some metal chairs. Those other chairs that you see are tractor seats that someone in my husband's family actually made those. And we have those around the fire as well. So that's a lot of fun. And we are getting ready. The barn is gray and white, and we are gonna get ready. Hopefully this year. My house is a tan color, and I haven't liked it since we built this house, but I think we finally decided that maybe this is the year that we are going to maybe paint it so that I painted the barn the color that I wanted, and then we have the, I don't even know, the shop behind that, and that's kind of in a gray color too. So anyway, all these options and chores and things to do, but it's been a lot of fun. So anyway, my trees are starting to bud. I have another willow tree that we planted here. This was a little guy. We planted that when my husband's dad died. When he passed away, we planted a tree in his memory, and that thing is about 12 years old now, and it's huge. It's getting really, really big. So anyway, so I thought while I was sitting outside enjoying the beautiful 70-degree weather that I just sit out here and enjoy some time with my little guys. We're just here all by ourselves. I'm seeing the first butterfly come out. I love butterflies. So does Pal. He likes butterflies. So we're just sitting out here enjoying the day. I thought I would share with you guys. This has been kind of odd for me because I've been in the kitchen for so long for this channel, and I'm not still 100% sure what I'm gonna do with this channel, but I think I'm kind of heading toward a daily or weekly lifestyle, just to give me more options of my life and sharing that instead of always having to be in the kitchen with the right ingredients. And I will still do that. I'll still have my sister on, and I'll still be doing mukbangs and recommendations. If you guys have any recommendations within reason, put the comments down below. I'd love to hear them. Love to see what you'd like to see maybe in my life, or some of the things that we do sports wise. We're very outdoorsy. We do a lot of camping. And so if you guys, if you have any comments that you want to leave down below, please do. And I'm just sitting out here with my friend Pal, sitting out here trying to get a little bit of sun on my legs and my arms, and he's enjoying a bone out here. So So anyway, that's probably it for today. Oops, I just put my hand right over the camera. But I would really love comments. I know you guys left a few of the comments below when I said I was considering doing this, and then I've had a couple trips that I have taken, adventures, and so one of them was on a bike ride with my sister. My sister and I do a lot of stuff together too, so she'll be on my channel a lot, and I'm on her channel from time to time as well. So leave a comment below on what you would like to see if I were to switch this channel to more of a weekly or a couple videos a week, what you would like to see. Is it clothes that you'd like to see me be more like a fashion show? Would you like to see, you know, landscaping, things that we do in our garden, things that we just sit outside, enjoy each other's company, just conversations? Or, you know, could be something silly as my daily running around doing my errands. And so anyway, just leave a comment down below. This is going to be not a super long video, but I was just sitting out here with my little grandbabies. My daughter doesn't have any children yet, but these are my babies, and these are her babies. So I just was sitting out here with them today, enjoying the beautiful day, and just decided, you know what, I'm gonna just share. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing with everybody. So leave a comment below, make sure to subscribe, and never miss one of my videos.